let us see the example 1.39. By using Gaussian elimination method, balance the chemical reaction equation. They gave one chemical reaction to us. We have to balance the equation. What is it balancing? It is nothing but, here this is LHS, that is known as RHS. Here see 5 carbons is there, here only 1 carbon. Then here 8 hydrogen, there 2 hydrogen. Here 2 oxygen, there 3 oxygen is there, isn't it? So we have to balance. How we can balance? We have to put the integers, positive integers previously. That is known as the coefficient of the term, isn't it? So now we are going to find the terms, positive integers, by using Gaussian elimination method. For that, now I am going to take positive integers x1, x2, x3 and x4. We can change this equation. Cx1 C5H8 plus x2 O2 x3 CO2 x4 H2O. Okay, we are going to find the value of x1, x2, x3, x4. Suppose if we are finding the values and we are going to substitute instead of these positive integers, it will be balanced. Okay, how it will see? See, first we have to equate the equation. See here, how many carbons are there? 5 into x1. Here how many carbons? In here they didn't give anything, means we have to consider it as 1 is equal to x3. Okay, here we have to put equal. Why? Because this is known as LHS, this is RHS. We have to balance. The number of carbons in the left hand side is equal to the number of carbons in the right hand side. The coefficients, isn't it? Here suppose I am getting 2, means 10 carbons is this side. That side also we have to bring 10 carbons. For that we are introducing this x1, x2, x3, x4. This is known as the positive integers. So I am balancing this equation. 5x1 is equal to 1x3. Carbon completed. Then I am going to hydrogen. What is that? 8x1. Here there is no hydrogen. Here 2x2. Then oxygen 2x2. Here 2. You just multiply with this coefficient plus x4. See, 5x1 is equal to 1 is there, 1x3. Hydrogen 8x1 is equal to, here 2x4, not x2, 2x4. Then oxygen 2x2 is equal to 2x3 plus x4. Okay, see, I am going to take 5x3 is equal to 0. Suppose if I am going to divide by 2, 4x1 minus x4 is equal to 0. This 2x2 minus 2x3 minus x4 is equal to 0. This is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. By using these 3 equations, we can write the augmented matrix. How? x1 5, x1, x2, x3, x4. Here 4 unknowns are here. There we have to find 4 values for this. 5, 0. There is a no x2, so 0, no x4, 0. Then here 4, 0, 0, minus 1. Here 2, 0, 2, minus 2 minus 1. Okay. Now we have to interchange this R1 to R2. Four 0 0 minus 1, 5 0 minus 1 0 0 0. By using Gaussian elimination method means we have to reduce this term into row echelon form. What is that row echelon form? These two entries and this entry should be get 0. Okay. So what I am going to do, this R1, R2, now I am going to change R2 minus 4R2 minus 5R1. Why? Because I am going to multiply this R2 by 4 means 20 it will come here. I am going to multiply by 5 to R1 means here also it will come 20. So 20 minus 20, here it will 0. 0 minus 0, 0. So R2, 4R2 minus 5R1. 4, 0, 0 minus 1, 0, 0. See here 0 minus 0, 0. Here 4R2 minus 4 plus 5, 0, 0, 2 minus 2 minus 1, 0. We have to bring that row echelon form means these three terms should be 0. So for that purpose, again I am going to interchange this R2 to R3. 4, 0, 0 minus 1, 0, 0, 2 minus 2 minus 1, 0, 0, 0 minus 4, 5, 0. See, we are getting 3 non-zero rows are there. So the rank of the matrix is 3. So row of A is equal to row of augmented matrix is equal to 3, but the unknowns are 4. So it is consistent and it has a non-trivial solution. Here we have to introduce one parameter. From this row echelon form, I am going to write the equivalent system of linear equation. For x1, x2 the value is 0, x3 is 0, minus x4 is equal to 0, 2x2 minus 2x3 minus x4 is equal to 0, minus 4x3 plus 5x4 equal to 0. This is x1, x2, x3, x4. 4x1 minus 4x4. 2x2 minus 2x3 minus x4. Minus 4x3 plus 5x4 equal to 0. It is consistent, it has a non-trivial solution, so we have to introduce one parameter. Now I am going to put x4 is equal to t. Why? Because row of coefficient matrix is equal to row of augmented matrix is equal to 3, but there is the unknown how many? 4. So t. You just name these equations and you substitute the value of x4 in these equations. By back substitution we get the value of x1, x2, x3. Now I am going to substitute this x4 is equal to t, 4x3 plus c 5t equal to 0. 4 minus is equal to minus 5t by 4. This minus it will be cancelled. x3 is equal to 5t by 4. Now you just substitute these two values in. 4x1 minus t equal to 0. 4x1 is equal to t, x1 is equal to t by 4. Here 2x2 minus 2x into instead of x3 you have to substitute 5t by 4 minus t equal to 0. 2x2 is equal to 10t by 4 minus t. 2x2 is equal to 10t minus 4t by 4. 2x2 is equal to, you just bring these two here, 60 by 4. 60 by 4. Just to substitute these values in equation 2. 2x3, what is that? 5t by 4 minus x4. What is that value? x4t is equal to 0. 2x2, you just bring these two terms this side. Before that you just reduce this. 5t by 2 plus t. 2x2, just to take LCM, 70 by 2. 2x2 is equal to 70 by, you bring this to this side, 4. So x2 is equal to 70 by 4. This t value is not equal to 0. We have taken a t not equal to 0. Suppose if we are going to take the t value is 4, what it will come? Why? Because we have to give the coefficient. It should be positive integers. T means we can't take na. So if we are going to take t is equal to 4, why we are taking t equal to 4? See here by 4, here also by 4 it is coming na. Here also by 4. So we have to multiply t with t4 or otherwise t equal to 4. So what is that? x1 is equal to t4 by 4. 4 by 4 is equal to 1. x2 what is that? x2 7t. 7 into 4 by 4. So it will be cancelled 7. x3 5 into 4 by 4. So this value is 5. And x4 is equal to 4. Okay. You just write instead of x1 what is that? 1. x2 7. x3 5, x4 4. Now just we see the balance. Carbon is 5. Here see 5 carbon is there. Hydrogen 8. 8 into 1 8. Here 4 into 2 8. Oxygen 14. Here 10 plus 4 14. Once I will do for you. See, you just C5 H8 plus 7O2 5 CO2 plus 4. Now you just balance this equation. Here 5 carbons, here also 5 carbons, 8 hydrogen, here 4 2s are 8 hydrogen, 14 oxygen, 5 2s are 10 plus 4, 14 oxygen. So the given equation is balanced, isn't it? So what we found, they gave one equation. From that we found the augmented matrix. We wrote the augmented matrix and we applied elementary row operations on the augmented matrix. It was reduced by row echelon form. From that row echelon form, again we have written the equivalent system of linear equation. From that system of equation, by back substitution, we found the value of x1, x2, x3, x4. Okay, thank you.